Hey, let me show you how you can connect your Samsung Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus into your PC. So in this case, I'm using actually the Windows 11 laptop, but it will also work the same for the Windows 10 or for example Windows 7. So first of all, what we have to do on our smartphone is just to simply go into the settings. Now we'll have to actually go below and select About Phone. And now we have to go into the software information and we have to keep tapping on the build number until we enable the developer mode. Now from this we have to go back to the main settings page, open the developer options, and now we'll have to scroll down and enable the USB debugging. So you have to just click on the switcher and click OK. Now you will have to prepare the USB-C cable. So you have to plug this cable into the USB-C port. And this second end of the cable you have to for sure plug into the USB port in your PC. So in my case, the port is located just right here. So I have to plug it in this place. There we go. You can also use the double-side USB-C cable if you have this input in your PC. And now when you do this, you can actually find the pop-up information on your phone. So allow the phone transfer data. There we go. And on your PC, you have to also go into your PC. Okay, never mind. I just cannot find it. So open the File Explorer, for example. And now from this, we'll have to go into this PC. And as you can see from here, we can find our device. So double tap on it. And from here, we can actually find the internal storage on our smartphone. And now if we want to transfer some data into our smartphone or from our smartphone, you can actually drag some files. For example, let's say that I want to transfer this icon. So I have to drag it, for example, into the download folder. And that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.